one of the ones like this. But it is a beast. Good, man. Especially close range. Fucking destroys. And the rate of fire is just immense. It's the rate of fire and damage. It's just way OP. Whack, whack. Shots are pretty good, to be fair. How'd that not hit him, then?
Our UAV is orbiting the area.
People behind me, man. Feels like my ass is never safe.
Oh, fuck off! Oh, these people, man.
So I'm gonna camp up this one. This one's not the one to run around him.
What you gotta do, mate? Yeah, no, you never fucking run around me.
This one's okay.
Worst thing you could do.
I'm on the opposite side. Basically, I'm where their castle is, but I'm opposite side of the petrol station, basically, where they will shoot us from.
Roger.
Friendly UAV on station. Our UAV is orbiting the area.
Oh, deal.
UAV online. Friendly UAV on station.
I'm just too fucking slow for that guy.
Our UAV is orbiting the area. Friendly UAV
Oh my
online.
god. A lot of lives, that guy. Fucking hell. I get shot from the back there. Oh my god, shot from behind again. Fucking hell. Where the fuck's my team? How the fuck am I getting shot from the fucking back? Fucking hell. Has he run all the way around here to my own base and just shot me in the back? Makes no sense.
No idea, dude.
Fucking hell's the team? Like, it's literally our spawn. He's run into him behind me and then shot me on a fucking build.
Yeah, tell me about it, mate.
Fucking ladders in this game.
It happened to me all the time. It just shot my own fucking spawn.
Isn't it?
That's how shit these devs are.
I couldn't even get up a fucking ladder then. I'm getting fucking one-shotted by it. Motherfucker. I find running this is too slow. These maps, you're not run fast enough in these for these maps. Hey, well done. If I get shot from my own fucking team again. My own team
Yeah, I
side.
just got shot by point blank. This dude was trying to shoot me 3 times. You took him 3 shots when he's
What?
right behind me to kill me.
Point blank? Oh my god.
With a sniper. Where he's that shit.
Hasn't got his cheats yet, that's why. Where the... Oh, fucking hell. Sometimes there's a drop on this sometimes, there isn't. What the fuck did I miss him then? Guy's got about 10 lives. What? Probably none of them written there. Oh, I got windows again, mate. Oh, the pain's there. You got a lot of pain.
Friendly UAV on station. Enemy UAV overhead.
Fucking team. Spawning behind us again.
Yeah.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead. UAV standing by. Our UAV
Fucking, they're like right on our fucking line of wall here. One's up on the, you know, the billboard sign we're normally on. One's on that.
Yeah. The fuck? I'm actually in there. I'm right next to their spawn, man. What the fuck?
Oh, fuck. Oh, my nade. I haven't got my nade.
friendly precision airstrike
Are they behind us?
counter UAV overhead.
Like, in our
They're
fucking
nowhere-
spawn.
They're not spawning down here.
Oh my god, someone else behind me in my own spawn. But maybe actually overrun it. Bow show. Devilish game, is that? Well, this one, they put this on sale. I've still on sale, I think. People are probably already leaving it. What? That was 100% a headshot, man. Guy should be fucking dead.
Yeah, it's fucking nuts, this is.
I've been killing loads since the beginning, anyway. Well, they're like literally on our fucking back spawn, that's why I'm fucking struggling.
That's weird, I'm on their spawn.
What? Fucking hell. Oh, have it, you can. Have it. It was AI. UAV. Get your Twitch account back. Fucking hell, mate. We done to that now. I'm alright, how are you? You alright? Do you reckon we switched spawns or something? I don't know. I think you could on this, could you?
No, this is definitely their spawn back here. I really don't know what's going on here.
Oh, no, fucking whale of a time up there. Oh, slow boy. Fucking lobby same over there. Oh, another UAV. Great, you're on.
Set in mind. Our UAV is orbiting the area. Friendly UAV online.
Fucking AI.
Fucking hell, I've not seen anyone for like 2 minutes.
Is that still? I've seen a few, but... It doesn't feel like we're getting lasers as much at the minute. I can survive a few hits and get out of there. You must have tweaked it a bit.
Oh, not with an AR, mate.
Yeah, probably depends on the range, I guess, for the AR, but... Oh, there's you. Nice.
Hello.
You still in there spawn?
Yeah. Well, I'm moving back now.
You just got gunned.
I've got
Yeah, I just
balls
got
of
gunned down here,
steel.
mate. All good. It's like it's spawning.
Cheers for the follow,
So
Martin
don't know.
Screechel, is it? Screechel? How you doing, man?
What?
How are you doing, buddy? Welcome to the stream.
Fucking bullshit. That.
TTT30 is ordered. Nice, mate. You'll love them. I just got murdered by gunship back.
Yeah, no one shoots kill streaks down in this.
Where is it? Oh, is that the heli? Right, okay. Yeah, I get the kill
Yeah,
streak.
man. AC-130, innit?
Bit of both, innit? There's an Apache up or something.
Friendly cruise missile approaching target. Hostiles launched a cruise missile.
Victory.
Mission accomplished.
Not bad. The longer sniper range is better.
Back.
Ah, you locked out. I remember you saying you weren't Dorito last week. Anyway, just locked out. These fucking thermal scopes, mate. Oh my god. It's on the bolt action.
Battle end.
It's so noob. You don't even need a thermal in this. It's actually fucking useless.
If you can't see someone by them,
Fucking hell.
just fucking
Get
fuck your
alive.
fucking eyeballs out and fuck
Get
off.
Get alive. Fuck your eyeballs out, innit?
You
Oh, I've
might
had
as
a rough
well.
week. Grieving.
If you can't fucking see
So it's the
someone,
weekend, mate. It's been hard work. Yourself?
Jesus Christ. Fucking unreal.
I was just using the normal shot then. It was just murdering them. The normal sniper. It's definitely the one for that map. Bolty's good, but not Not on that map. It's a bit too far for it. It's a bit too far and a bit too... Everyone's at, like, range trying to shoot each other.
Oz alright, mate.
I can tune up the sniper, apparently.
Oz is in the middle. Yeah, that's what I just said on mine, but I don't think you can. They've removed the attachment tuning.
Oh, right. Oh,
It was fucking bugged.
fuck's sake.
3 years, 3,000 devs. Can't even
Bugged.
shoot a fucking gun 'cause it's bugged. Well done, dickheads. I mean,
Useless.
fucking...
It's around earlier with a load of sniper wannabes 6 versus 6 map hit me in the
I don't know
leg.
what to say.
Getting domed with the deagle. Nice.
You want to try telling me this is not fucking beta? I mean, fucking hell.
I think 2042 felt more polished. Gotta be honest.
Yeah. Thing is that attachment tuning was in for like a few hours or something like that, and then
It was exploiting it.
I don't know what it was doing. I don't know what it was. It was doing something, so they had to fucking remove it straight away.
Never come back.
Fucking hell. Well, hopefully it will come back because you can fine tune stuff like you can fine tune it for this or that, sort of like ADS speed or walking speed or shit like that. So you could then tweak guns further than what the attachments do, which is good. I like the idea, but make it less buggy next time.
The one thing I'm doing straight is ditching any accuracy because you don't need it. So I'll just fucking that'll be the sacrifice in this game. Accuracy I'm not asked about.
Yeah.
Just don't need it.
But actually, mate,
It's so lame anyway. Yeah, ADS and move. Probably ADS to be fair. Maybe movement. ADS probably.
Yep. Oh, here we go. I can't find a fucking game name.
And run to fire. ADS runs fire.
Yeah, run to fire as well. That's a biggie.
The Cold War shotgun, that was fucking mint. The what's it called? I shot you. Like 20 fucking kills.
The fucking street sweeper.
How was that? Okay.
Yeah, boy. It's fucking mint. That was.
Thing was invincible.
What to do? We had to do something. Was it like?
Get a 20-man rag with it.
Free like fucking 20 times or something like that for that, wasn't it?
Something like that. Yeah.
Was that it? It's fucking
so.
ridiculous challenge to get it. But I like that. I like challenges.
Yeah.
I'd rather do shit like that and just fucking grind one weapon just to unlock another weapon. No, give me some fucking challenges, man. That's the thing. You don't even have challenges in this. You don't have the fucking. You don't have the fucking.
Lame.
Like battle record. How can I see how I'm doing? Not that I give a fuck, but.
It'd be nice to have a battle record. That's one of the things people want to see.
You've always had it. That's the thing. You've always had it. And you had things like, back in the day, you had things like, blow a person up with a car.
I'll make
You have
some
to
chat
shoot
to
a
me
car
again.
and blow it up and kill them. Like fucking fun little challenges like that for extra XP.
Well,
Where is it?
They can't even fit the messaging system because it was all 4 minutes ago. Come on.
Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, I got one in his eyes. Like, some people are saying it's due to camos. Maybe you've unlocked a camo.
What?
But I don't think that's right.
There's some daily challenges, mate, on the left. Operate 3 kills using battle hardened perk. Can't be asked.
I've just selected a camo, which looks nothing like what it previews as.